Alright, in this video we're asked to simplify. As you can see from the question, both A and B are addition and subtraction, and C is multiplication. In order to add or subtract our surds, we need them to be like surds. So we can add root 2 and root 2, and we can say that there are two root 2's, a bit like algebra. But what we can't do is add root 2 plus root 3. We can't simplify that. So the first thing we need to do for A is to get them to be like surds. So we're going to simplify each one separately. So we've got 5 by root 12. Now, root 12 is the same as 4 times 3. So we'd have 5 times root 4 times root 3. And root 4 is 2, so 5 times 2 is 10 root 3. Now we're adding to that root 27. But we know that this one simplifies down to root 3, so we really want this one to be root 3 as well, so we can actually simplify further. So 27 is the same as 9 by 3, which would be root 9 by root 3, which is the same as square root 9 is 3 root 3. And now that they're both like surds, so both end in root 3, we can just do, there's 10 plus 3 of them, 13 root 3. You have a crack at B. Pause the video and then come back for the answer. All right, in B, we've got 3, but we're subtracting. So 3 and root 20 is the same as 4 by 5. So we're probably coming back to a root 5 here. So we've got 3 times 2, which is 6 root 5. And we're trying to bring this root 80 back to 5. So 16 by 5. So we've got the square root of 16 is 4. 3 by 4 is 12 and root 5. And then we're subtracting also the 2 root 45. And the 45 will come back to 9 times 5. And the square root of 9 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And the root 5. Now, if we have 6 minus 12 minus 6 is going to be negative 12 root 5 as our simplified one. Now, for C, it's a little bit different. It's not asking for an exact value, but when we multiply, it's kind of the opposite of what we've been doing. Up here, we took 12 and we brought it back to 4 times 3. So when we multiply, if we say root 15 times root 3, this is the same as the square root of 15 times 3, which is the square root of 45. Now, the only thing here is you need to look at that and decide whether or not it can be simplified, and if so, simplify it. So we know that 45 is the same as 9 times root 5, or root 9 times root 5, which would be the same as 3 root 5. So it's a bit like in fractions. If your answer can be simplified, you need to simplify it in order to get all of the marks. Thanks for watching.